This is a 96 Impala. I just finished the carpet and the bottoms of the front seats. I did not purchase the floor mats. I don't know where they came from. Nor did I purchase this. It lights up. Hook that up for them. Clean the console. There's the two bottoms I did on the last video. Or that's the one I did on the video. This was the second one. Color was much better, but their pattern was way off. It's supposed to be 13 inches from that seam to that one. That pattern came out nice. This one was 11 and a half. So they're off 3/4 of an inch on each side. He changed all the bulbs out to LEDs, which is a very good idea on this one. As these old bulbs get hot and start melting plastic. And I changed those for them, and the courtesy lights under the dash. These were actually, it was like doing surgery to get to these. You had to pop all this apart and really get in there tediously. Never changed those bulbs. He's gonna come back. We're not done. He's been waiting on me forever. He's local, just actually right around the corner from me. He's had this carpet he purchased himself. It's been in his trunk for a minute. We're just trying to get something going for him. He's been so patient. I gave him the last 2 days. But I got some 0-gauge wire ran for him, some RCAs, all nice and neat. Inside the factory boot sleeve under here. Carpet fit really nice. Took some extra time to make sure of that. Now he's gonna have to change this carpet. This, I think he wants to do a same dark gray suede headliner and back deck, and then the seats too. Probably two-tone them, charcoal and a light gray, suede up the middle, something of that nature. Be down the road, we'll see it again. So he's done, fixing to be picked up, and back on to that one. There's the old carpet. Low mileage car, but somebody had a lot of coffees and Coca-Colas. It's got some nice billet parts on this one. He's got a rear view mirror also, but yeah, that won't go on. Yeah, I'll show it to you on it. Got a whole set of seats cut out. A set and a half of seats cut out. First one's going in that one. Here's the rear view mirror, which is nice. This is a shame. It's not made correctly. That's as far as a bend you'll get out of it. Once that sits there, there is no way to bend that up where you can actually see out of it. It's going to be pointing straight down at a 45. That's as far as that goes. And that's as far as that one goes. And yes, I've spun it upside down every which way. That's the only way you could make it work. But you can't slide this on upside down. You could, I guess. That's the way it would have to be done. That would involve pulling this metal bracket off the glass. And I know from experience, if they don't fall off on their own, good luck getting it off without chipping the glass or breaking something. It could be done. I'll figure it out for them at some point. But I don't like that having to go on upside down. If that set screw doesn't hold well, she's gonna fall off and hit something. It's pretty heavy. Put a crack in that dash. Alright, thanks for watching again, fam. Peace.